So I am doing mine on Sonia Sotomayor, and I did some fun facts about her. Although she is a well-known Supreme Court justice, she also has a little bit of a saucy side. She enjoys salsa dancing with her friends and family when she's not sitting on the bench and doing cases. She also has a good need for speed. She enjoys go-kart riding with her nephews, and she enjoys having that speed adrenaline. The Supreme Court justice also has caught herself at Costco, as she is a avid member, and she was actually there just shopping around at the Costco place when she spied the former Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton. And so Hillary Clinton was at a Virginia Costco autographing her book when the justice came up to her table, and Hillary Clinton was like, "I don't believe this." So they had a little run-in, and Justice Sotomayor said that she just happened to be shopping when she spied her, and she told Clinton she plans to read her book, and that Clinton also read hers. So that was a really neat instance for the justice to kind of go through with that. Her favorite color is fire engine red. When she was being initiated as a justice, she was told to wear neutral colors all the way down to her nails, but she made a statement piece with some fire engine red nails since it's her favorite color. Ever since she was younger, her inspiration came from Nancy Drew when she would read all the books and had that kind of spark and fire of the Nancy Drew books. She's a home run hero. Some say that Judge Sotomayor saved baseball. Obama said at her 2009 nomination announcement that Sotomayor is an avowed baseball fan herself and got to throw the first pitch at a Yankees game that same year in her home turf in the Bronx. She has some great characteristics. She's a wonderful judge and a fearless leader, a judge that absolutely loves her community. She is very rooted in her community. She developed the School for Youth program, which sponsors workshops for inner city high school students. Every semester, approximately 7 students attend 16 weekly workshops that are designed to teach them how to function in a work setting. The workshop leaders include investment bankers, corporate executives, and, of course, Judge Sotomayor, who conducts a workshop on law for 25 to 35 students. She has a great poker face. She had an interview with Stephen Colbert, and she said that she loves playing poker. Colbert asked if she ever plays small stakes games with her friends, knowing that it's illegal, of course, and she said no, because I provide the food. The judge told him, "The players around my table are just paying for their own food." Stephen Colbert laughed and said that, "Come on, that's never going to hold up in court." She has a nickname. So Sonia has this nickname that was coined when she was being with all the other justices. She was called Sonia from the block because of her past, and in reference to the first part that we did earlier in this semester, Justice Sonia Sotomayor was from a more poor area, so she was that Jenny from the block, quote-unquote, type deal thing, but she was Sonia from the block. And that is it. It was a short and sweet one since I did so much detail on the last one, but I enjoyed getting to see these little facts and tidbits about her, and she was really fun to get to know, and all of her accomplishments that were done in the previous PowerPoint and during the more towards the beginning of the semester. So it has really opened my eyes, and I'm really, really glad that I got to do this on her. Thank y'all.